Alright, so decided to make a video of a before and after. I purchased, well, traded a vehicle that I recently purchased for a boat. Needs a little bit of work. I just wanted to do a little before and after video to show you what it's like now. It's a little needs a little bit of work, but all in all, it's in great condition. Show you. It's a Sea Ray 175 Sport. So here it is. Got it off of a retired guy. Purchased a new boat. As you can tell, it's been sitting for a while. Needs a good scrubbing. Still walk around. Needs some paint work at the bottom. Trailer needs a little bit of work. As you can tell, it's ghetto rigged. Definitely needs a good scrubbing. It starts right up. Motor's good. Only has 260 hours on it. Yeah, gross. But get in there. This is the cover for it. New canopy top for it. Just needs to be detailed. This thing is filthy. I'm gonna have to vacuum everything out, clean it out, scrub it all down. But yeah, all in all, it's a pretty decent boat. Just needs a little bit of love, a little bit of TLC. It's an inboard, outboard. Get some rust out, but yeah. So at least you get to see the before, and I'll show you the after. Grabbing some stuff down. Got some cleaner on deck. Now, got a couple magic erasers on deck, some simple green. So, oh, this is everything I freaking picked up in the boat. Phew, stinks. This up. So see if this works. Since it's busted, not sure if it'll hold. There it goes. So at least you just gotta be careful. Hook this up. Now, let's vacuum the rest of this out. It's gross. So, what I got so far doesn't look like much. I just cleaned out all the water, all the debris. See how it goes. I'm about to start power washing everything. I don't know if you guys can see, it's super dirty, like This thing's been sitting for a long time. Whole new upholstery here, here, here. The front hasn't been reupholstered, but I mean, oh no, cleaned out. Came out really good. Now time to power wash. See how it all comes out. So yeah, so time for some simple green. Just gonna apply it everywhere. Whew. This bleach stinks. Just gotta be extra careful with it. Start from the outside. So, final touches. Still need to scrub the cushions. I only got 3. I'm gonna scrub the canopy top, wipe the windows. And honestly, all in all, she turned out pretty good. Took all day, but yeah, I'll show you the end result in a second. I'm gonna finish wiping this cushions down, and then yeah, bring her out tomorrow morning, see how she is. I'm definitely gonna start her in a bit, make sure she's all set. The only thing I didn't really touch up was the engine, which I'll do that another day. It's been taking forever to clean this thing, but yeah. So here it is, finished product. I didn't power wash any of this, but oh no, this thing came out so mint. Just cleaned the glass, just put the canopy top on. This thing is super clean. Clearly I gotta reupholster this, but this thing came out so clean. So we'll try and take it out in the morning and go from there. Bring it towards me, because the chain stops. I just want to make sure this pulls out. There you go.
That's it. I got it.
Right. It's going back.
I got it.
All right, let me pull this out. Yeah. So we're out here, we made it. Got Chris driving the boat. He helped me out, thank you. Appreciate that. The boat purrs. So everything's cleaned up. It's beautiful out here in South Carolina. She made it. She needs some little TLC. I'll paint these. But other than that, I mean,
She's clean.
yeah. Hell yeah. Definitely a steal. So, successful day. Got the boat all covered. I didn't really clean the tarp off yet, but other than that, I mean, she's good. I just gotta power wash it real good. And yeah, I'm about to drop her off at the storage down the street. But it's definitely well worth it, for sure. Yeah, so